Hey guys, welcome on in. It is Friday, April 10th, and today is technically what we call a reading day. But before we get to that and what that entails, if you have not turned in your students' responsibilities for online learning assignment, you need to click here, click on the blue link. It'll open up this document. When this document opens up, you need to read through it with you and your parents. Make sure to type your name. Type your parent's name, that's equivalent of a signature. Then click, there should be a blue submit button somewhere on your screen. Click on it and then it will send it to me. Okay, now, for everybody else who has already turned that in, we're going to talk about reading days, and I'm going to show you one more thing that I've got set up for organization here going forward. So, when you log into Canvas and you go to modules each week, you're going to see the lesson with the date and the day that you should be working on it. So you'll see that yesterday, Chapter 1, Quiz 1 from The Outsiders, April 9th, 2020, was Thursday Learning. And today is a reading day on April 10th, Friday Learning. Now, when we click on this, it's going to go ahead and open up the page just like it always does. And what it says is, today you have a reading day. Read anything you would like for 20 minutes or more. It can be online articles, comic books, novels, short stories, poetry, whatever you want. Just make sure you read for at least 20 minutes today. And we're not going to track this with a log. I'm just going to trust that you're going to be honest and do that. Now, the next thing says, it's also a good day to complete the reading questions for The Outsiders Chapter 1. Do your gist notes and Quiz 1. And remember, all of this, your quiz and the chapter reading, is due by midnight. If it's not turned in by midnight, you lose the opportunity. It will be locked. All right, so make sure we understand each other on that. Okay, last thing is on Monday when you log in, you're going to go ahead and go to Monday Reading Questions, April 13th, 2020. Read Works Instructions, open up the page, and then you can access the directions if you need them. If you don't need the directions, you can just go straight to Read Works on Monday, and we're going to read story number 5 in the Run series. Okay, you guys have a great weekend, and thanks for getting your work done on time.